If you've ever bought out-of-home, specifically static vinyl out-of-homes, you know that the production cost, which is the printing of the actual vinyl billboards, can sometimes even be more expensive than the space cost. One of the ways we get around that to save money for our clients if we have a big campaign across the metropolitan area is when we work with the same vendor, we might be able to actually move that vinyl in flight to a different location, therefore maximizing the reach of the campaign across two different geographies that's saving on that printing cost. For example, where I live in Oregon, maybe we buy a billboard that's on I-5 and it's north of the city, but then 4 weeks into the campaign, we can literally move that same billboard to a different location. Of course, I'm not talking about the physical structure, I'm talking about the printed billboard. This is a way to save money on your campaign because production costs are one of the biggest roadblocks to people investing in out-of-home. So if you want other tips on how to save on out-of-home, we have lots of tricks to save our clients money. Follow Left Hand Agency or follow me for more.